Uh, Before you send this off to your colleagues, to your team, to the world to review, go ahead and do your own sanity check. If you don't already use a linter, please use one. It is a great return on investment for finding syntax errors, for finding bugs, for finding the way that you're doing a particular while loop or for loop or a map in JavaScript. But that's not really the way that should work. That's not how any of that works. So a linter will save you a lot of time and a lot of headaches by finding these very quickly. We use ESLint for our JavaScript agents. It also works on TypeScript. If Python's your flavor, PyLint is there for you. And then if you don't already have a good sense of your coding style, your naming convention for variables, stuff like that, please consider using a formatter. I know that some of the people who have submitted to some of these agent contests use Prettier. If for JavaScript or TypeScript, if Python is what you'd rather go with, there's a package called Black that does the same thing. And I'm going to sound like a broken record here, but I think it's totally worth it. Run your agent against known transactions. Does it work? Just sanity check. Did it do what I thought it was going to do? Run your tests. Do the tests pass? Or do they not? All your tests should pass, and your agent should trigger on transactions that it's expected to. And from here, we let the agent out of our hands as a developer, and we put it into the hands of our teammates, our colleagues, other people who are familiar with it. And we say, please critically review my code, my tests. Please critically review all of this. The way we do that, all of our work is in our GitHub repository. So we submit pull requests against it. And then our team does code reviews. We typically work in a team of 3 or 4 people. And so we require that before a pull request is approved, it needs to have eyes on and been combed through by 2 of the other developers, and they need to give their approval. As they submit comments, as they submit suggestions, it's up to you as a developer to either accept those, and that's kind of the easy case, like, oh, hey, great, you caught a bug, you caught something I didn't see. Or if you have a pretty good reason for doing things the way that you did, provide that justification when you say, hey, thanks, I'm not going to take your suggestion. It works this way for a reason. But this is absolutely critical. It's a critical thing for you to be able to review other people's code, and it's also critical that other people put eyes on your code. It will definitely make both of you better coders, or multiple people better coders, kind of as iron sharpens iron, so to speak.